Today we will move forward to our rolling dice. For that, first we will pick dice from prefab folder and drag and drop into our sample scene. And here we will do, we will close rolling dice animation from here, and we will add box collider 2D to it and set accordingly. After that, we will go in our scripts folder and create a new script, name it rolling dice, and let's open it. Here, what we are going to do is, what we will do, go in our Ludo sets dice, new folder. We will add all these sprites in this rolling dice from our script. For that, we will do public sprites, sprite, name it as sprites, and we will attach the script to our rolling dice and name it 6 because there are 6 sprites, and drag one by one over here, starting from dice 1, dice 2, dice 3, dice 4, 5, and 6. We will save this and we will create two more public functions, public sprite renderer. We will name it rolling dice animation and number holder. Rolling dice animation and number holder. And we will drag and drop accordingly rolling dice animation to rolling dice animation and number holder to number holder, and we will save. Now what we are going to do, we will create one more variable public int, name it number goat, and number goat, we will create one bool, public bool, which is can dice roll. Now what we are going to do, we will create function public void on mouse down, and one more function public, we will do I numerator ter, rolling dice and nim. Here we will do yield return new, wait for end of frame, and here we will do if condition, if, and check if can dice roll is true or not, and then first we will do if dice is rolling, can dice roll equals to false. This is that it should not immediately roll again and again. And now what we are going to do is, first we will get true our rolling dice animation true. So for this we are going to do rolling dice animation dot game object set active to true, and for number holder it will get to false. Now we will check the number got will be equal to number got is equal to random dot range 0 to 6. Here let me add yield return new, wait for seconds 1f, and what we will do is number holder equals to sprites number got. Mm, number holder dot sprite equals to sprites number got, and then what we will do, number got plus plus and We will copy from here rolling dice animation. This will be set to true and this will be set to false. After that, let's check it out if it works. Start quarantine, rolling dice NM. Here let's add one more thing, coroutine generate generate number equals to if if generate number is not equal to null, then stop quarantine rolling dice NM. Can dice roll will be equals to true. Let's check it out once again. Why it's not equals to true. Should be equals to true. It gets false, which means we will move the steps forward. What if I add, after all of this, can dice roll equals to true? Let's see what will happen. It's rotating again and again. And see, oh, it's working completely fine. Rolling dice animation and number holder gets set active to true or false accordingly, which we are doing it from here. Rolling dice to activate or deactivate a game object, you need to do set active to true or set active to false. Uh, Now we will see how to move a player piece and rolling dice with the dice number in the next lecture.